Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a video with Invideo AI in different language. Invideo AI offers a revolutionary tool that transforms simple text prompts into fully edited videos. This AI-driven process generates a complete script, select relevant stock footage, and synchronizes it with a voiceover in any chosen language, including the user's own voice. The platform is user-friendly, allowing for detailed prompts and customizations such as a voice tone, language, and music selection. Users can even clone their voice for a personalized touch. The editing process is streamlined with options for both natural language adjustments and manual edits. The platform supports multiple languages, making it accessible globally. The final product is publish ready with the option for further fine-tuning through the mobile app. A free trial is available, but to unlock premium features like voice cloning and a full stock footage library, a paid subscription is required. First, you need to use a simple text prompts to create an entire video with the script stock footage and voiceover in any language. The video can be published ready in minutes with the options to fine-tune and edit various aspects like script, footage, and music. The AI tool can generate videos up to 25 minutes long and can include workflows to guide the prompt writing process.
If you're a health enthusiast, then you need to know.
The video can be edited and translated into multiple languages, offering a wide range of voice options and accents. And now I will try this. Translate into German.
Wenn du auf deine Gesundheit achtest, dann musst du die Superkräfte der Kurkuma kennenlernen. Hier ist der Grund.
The final video is ready to be published or exported with the option to remove watermarks via a paid plan for access to premium features and stock footage. A video generated by Invideo AI can range from as short as 30 seconds to as long as 25 minutes. And you can make edits to the script, footage, or music by using the natural language option or by manually accessing the edit button in Invideo AI. You can change the language of the voiceover by selecting the desired language in the prompt box, and the AI will generate the voiceover in that language using your voice clone. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.